Hi friends, I'm Myra with Vial Designs, and in this video I'm going to show you 5 easy ways you can letter May in calligraphy. I'm going to be adding links to everything in the description, so be sure to check that down below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Let's dive right in. I'm going to be using my 5 ways to letter bullet journal workbook, and of course getting the month of May worksheet. The first way we're gonna letter May is with Faux Calligraphy, and I'm using this Link Glitter Gel pen, and as you can see here I am doing real time. And the way to do Faux Calligraphy is that you write the letter first and then you thicken the downstrokes by adding an outline. Downstroke is every time you're moving your pen downward. Then at the end you can color in the outline that you created. It is definitely up to you. You can leave it like it is right now, which I completely love to do Faux Calligraphy like this, or complete the look of calligraphy. Basically we're just imitating calligraphy using a regular pen. I really love these glitter pens because they're very inexpensive and they're so fun to write. I mean, look at this glitter. The second way to write May, we're gonna use a basic modern calligraphy style, and we're gonna use the Zebra Foam Worry brush pen. This is one of my favorite brush pens for beginners. This is very user friendly. The colors are super vibrant, so I really do recommend this pen if you are a beginner in calligraphy. For the third way to write May, I'm going to be using a bounce lettering style, and I'm using this Tombow Fudenosuke hard tip colors in the color pink. As you can see, this bounce lettering is a playful lettering style where the downstrokes extend past the baseline. If this is a style that you would like to learn, I'm going to add the link in the description for my bounce lettering workbook. Now I decided to letter May again so you can appreciate the true color of this pen. I don't think it does it matches the cap. I still think it's a really pretty color, but it's not as vibrant as I would love to. Moving on to the fourth way we're writing calligraphy, we're doing a Flourished Calligraphy style. I'm using this Pilot brush pen. Now I have no idea what it says in here, so if you are from Japan or know Japanese, make sure you leave me a comment and let me know what it says in the body of this pen. Now this style of calligraphy, as you can see, it has flourishes, which are embellishments that we can add to the end of some of the letters. I like this pen because it's very vibrant, but I think it is bleeding too much. I'm using a really good quality paper, so I don't think this will be a good pen for regular paper. Now for the last way we're gonna letter May is with block lettering. Now for this I'm gonna be using this Lapel Flex brush pen. Now you want to make sure that you get the right one, because as you can see here they have a similar one, but it's a monoline tip, so don't make the same mistake that I did and make sure that your pen says Le Pen Flex, and that's how you know it is for calligraphy. I really love this style. I have a workbook for this as well. I'm gonna link it down below, and this is it. These are 5 different ways, 5 different ideas that you can letter May. Now if you want more calligraphy and lettering ideas, be sure you check this video next. Thank you for watching.